Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I miss you all so much. Sorry I've been missing in action. I had a lot of stuff to do, but I'm glad I was able to find time and film this video for you guys. So in this video I'll be showing you guys some natural hairstyles. I have a series coming up, and this is like the beginning of the series. I'll upload a couple more later on. So in this video I'm showing you guys how to achieve this simple slick back ponytail using some low band. And here you saw me detangling the hair. I've already detangled it before I started the video, but I just showed you how I did that. And then I went ahead to apply some eco styler gel to slick my hair down a little bit. And then with the help of this brush, which is like so good, like I'm dying for this brush. I use this brush for everything, and like you guys can see, I just went through like once or twice and the hair slicked down really well. So I'm doing this in section because my hair wasn't really straightened. I just braided it overnight and then unraveled it whilst I was doing the video. So it's not really straightened like it should, but I still managed my way out, you know, to make it a little bit flatter. So as you may see me do, I was doing it in sections, and this helped the hair to lay really flat than me just holding everything and then applying the gel on. That wouldn't make my hair lay flat. I have a 4C textured hair, really hard and stubborn as well. So yeah, I just had to implement this method to work in sections. And with this brush I had to press the hair, press it firmly, rub my palms through the hair to make sure that it's really slick before I hold it behind me with some hair clip. So this is one side done. This is how it's looking, and then the other side we're just going to go ahead and repeat that same step on this side, and then we can continue the rest of the video. This hairstyle is so easy to do, like guys, it's so easy to do. You can literally use 10 minutes to do this style if you're in a rush, going to work, going to school, like going anywhere, party, events. This style takes literally 10 minutes to do. It doesn't take time at all. So once that is done, I just bring all of them to the back, and then with the help of this hairband, I'm going to hold all of the hair to the back and making sure that the front stays as flat as possible. And then moving on, I'm going to use this hair wax, that's L'Oreal Air Cream in color black and then the normal white. I'm using the black to create an illusion at the front of my hair, that's my edges, because I have thin edges, and so it's not really showing on the camera. It's showing as if I don't have edges at all. So I'm using the black gel to kind of bring that side to life, and then I'm going to move ahead to lay it down with this edge brush. And once everything is done, this is how the edges and the hair is looking like. So I'm going to go ahead and cover it with scarf and then wait for some hours to dry up, and then we're going to continue the rest of the video. It's been 3 hours and the hair is all dried up, and this is how slick this hair is looking, guys. Just look at that. Look at them edges, girl. Oh my god, I love it. So this is the pony that I'll be using. It's from Darling. That's the Darling Ponytail. This thing costs like 20 cedis. That's about $3-4. It comes to 2 combs and then a strap that makes it easy to attach to the hair. And basically guys, this hairstyle is done. We are done. I'm just pulling the string at the back to make sure it stays firm and in place, and I'm going to secure that with some bobby pin and fluff it out a little bit, you know, to check if everything is in place. And that's it for this hairstyle, guys. I hope you learned something from it and you enjoy it. Please kindly subscribe to my channel for more great contents like this. Follow me on my Instagram at 2_mamiabna2_, and thumb up this video if you found it helpful. Until next week, guys, please be safe and take care of yourself. Bye.